Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the contact at the source, your phone book. Open Contacts, locate the entry, and confirm you have any data you need backed up. Once deleted from Contacts, WhatsApp will no longer reference it. Make sure WhatsApp has Contacts permission and syncing turned on in settings so changes propagate. You are initiating the deletion where it matters. Do this first, because deleting inside WhatsApp alone won't remove the saved number from your device. Once the contact is removed from your phone, open WhatsApp and force a contact refresh. Tap New Chat and use the menu to refresh or reopen the app after a sync. If the number still appears in chats, delete or clear that specific chat to remove conversation traces. On Android, clear the Contacts app cache and resync. On iPhone, toggle Contacts in iCloud to force an update. These steps make sure WhatsApp updates its local list to match your phone's contacts. Finally, verify the number is gone by checking New Chat and your contacts within WhatsApp. Once done, also remove any leftover chat threads if present. If WhatsApp still shows the number, block the number, then unblock it. This can clear residual references, and then check after a sync. Make sure to restart your device, and if nothing else works, reinstall WhatsApp to force a clean contact database refresh. One key tip: always back up chats before reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.